Okay, so in this graph, the two things to take note. The amplitude is 3, but does not mean when we did 1 just now was 2 margin, amplitude 3 must have 6 margin. It's very difficult to draw. It's okay to still use 2. Or if you want to show me significantly bigger, can. Okay, I use 3 margin. It's okay. I'm okay with it. This is a sine graph. Should we start from 0 or should we start from the maximum? 0. But how to check? Teacher, sometimes I will forget. Press the calculator. 3 sine 0, but it must be in radian mode. You should get 0. The next interval is pi over 2. You can write down. Where should we go to after 0? Maximum. In this case, is 3. Don't believe, press the calculator. 3 sine of pi over 2 in radian mode. You will get 3. After the maximum, you must go back to the 0. Back to the minimum. Join them together. Okay? If I look at this question, the first thing that jumps out at me, like what Luffy just mentioned, the coefficient of x is 2. What's the meaning? 2 cycles in 2 pi. But I don't want to be so ambitious, draw 2 cycles immediately. I always find out what is 1 cycle. If there are 2 cycles in 2 pi, the first cycle must finish where? Pi, right? 180. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Focus on the first cycle first. Oh, Mr. Liu say 4 interval for 1 cycle. So let me label the 4 interval. 1, 2, 3, 4. But my first cycle will only stop at pi. Is it enough? No. So I need another 4 interval for the second cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Teacher, must all the interval always write all the angle? Not necessary. The intervals are meant for your own understanding. Alright? But let's go back to the original question. What is the amplitude in this case? Deepak? 1. So what is the maximum value? 1. What is the minimum value? Can? Okay, then we are ready to dot the points already. Junhao, based on what you observed in the morning, where should we start? This cosine. Okay, start from 1. After that, -1. So fast? No. The next interval must be, but don't know. Teacher, I forget how. Press the calculator. This is pi over 4. Alright? 1 to 0, 0 to -1, back to 0, go up to the maximum again. This is 1 full cycle, correct? Haven't finished, because we need to draw until 2 pi. So, back to 0, -1, back to 0, back to the maximum. Then I start to draw. Then we have 2 cycles already. In case you can't see, I draw dotted line, but not for you. You don't need to draw. This is my first cycle. This is my second cycle. Alright? For such a question, it will be worth 2 marks. Alright?